Hello guys, do you want to allow everyone to find you on Instagram by using your email address and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry, because you are on the right place. In this video I am just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. Then before we start, my name is Stark and you are watching the Starkness Game YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Snapchat app. After that, here you will see like your profile picture or your avatar in the top left corner. Just you will have to tap on it like that. It will be redirect you to your profile section. In your profile section you will have an option of that gear in the top right corner. Just tap on it like that to come to your settings, your Snapchat account settings. Just in settings, what you all have to do is tap at that email, and here you see this option is like tick mark. Let others find you. Let other find me using my email address. Just simply, if you want to allow anyone, just simply what you have to do, if your option is toggled off like that, just toggle it on like that. So by toggling it on will be allow everyone to find you on Snapchat by using your email ID. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the screen. Goodbye.